Over the past few months, the way I write software has changed more than at any point in my career. Not because of a new framework or new language, but because of the significant improvements that we have seen in AI coding agents like Claude Code and Codex. These tools have significantly changed how I work day to day. As a freelance developer, my value used to be in knowing the syntax, understanding coding patterns, and designing systems that would scale well. That is less true now. Coding knowledge has been commoditized. Prompting has cheapened the cost of software development. It's become trivially easy to generate bad code, which is why coding within AI systems now requires more attention upfront. What actually matters now are two things: understanding the business domain that you're coding for, the workflows, the constraints, and the why behind what it is that you're building. Secondly, knowing how to use AI tools well. Writing prompts that know your problem first time and still true and stay true to the architecture you had in mind. I spend less time typing boilerplate code now and more time thinking about architecture, less time hunting syntax issues and more time reviewing and validating what comes back. I'm still coding, but the workflow is different. It starts with giving my AI the right context, prompts and tools, and then moves to reviewing and refining what it produces. What gets me is how fast this is all moving. The improvements released over just the last few weeks alone have been real. Getting good at this, writing clear prompts, structuring context, actually reviewing output instead of blindly accepting them, can make a developer noticeably more productive without sacrificing code quality. As a freelancer who frequently has to interview for new contracts, it got me thinking, are interview styles changing to reflect a new way of working? For years, interviewers have focused on syntax recall, whiteboard algorithms, framework trivia, and writing everything from scratch. But the actual day to day now looks more like problem framing, system design, working with AI tools, evaluating the generated code, and spotting edge cases and making architectural trade offs. Judgment over memorization. Some companies are already adopting. Canva now expects its candidates to use AI tools like Copilot, Cursor, and Claude during technical interviews. They redesigned their questions to be more ambiguous, requiring real engineering judgment even with AI assistance. But I suspect most interview processes haven't caught up yet. I'm curious how others are approaching this. Have you adopted agentic coding yet, or do you still prefer writing everything from scratch? For me, honestly, it's brought the fun back. Coding has always been a creative outlet, watching something go from an idea to a real thing that people actually use. That process used to hit a wall every few hours, some dependency issues, some weird edge cases, something that kills your momentum. But now I can work through these problems with my AI and keep moving. Ideas become real faster, and that's what got me excited about coding in the first place. Has AI changed the way that you code?